Hello, my lovelies. It is an excellent day to do a quick aura grab for you. You can probably hear the rain flowing down over here, which is great. Very cleansing. So we're going to have our ruby here. And we're going to start at the top. And we're going to just relax. Take a deep breath. Think of all the things that are upsetting us at the moment. I have a lovely heart-shaped rose quartz here that was given to me by someone whose wedding I officiated many years ago, and it's become a valuable part because it was gifted to me with love and intention, and I just like to pass that on to people. So we're going to use this today in our healing. Let's clear our space. Okay, Ruby, she's going to relax. We'll start at the top. We're going to pull, 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 pull. All those negative feelings, we're going to pull them out. We're going to look at them. We're going to see why we're feeling that way. And we're going to deal with it. We're going to face it. Thank our emotions for coming to save us again. It shows us what we should be doing with our life. And how you react to things is a good lesson in how your overall well-being is progressing. But sometimes we just need someone to come along and give us a hand. So that's what we're doing today. We're just going to kickstart. Pull, 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 pull. And now yours. Pull, 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 pull. All of you. Get those negative energies out and throw them to the world. We're not passing along our negativity. We're just throwing it out to be shared because we can all do this together. We breathe in enough of other people's negative things to balance out the occasional throw of our negative things. And we are all done. Okay, Ruby. Sit yourself up. Breathe. Relax. Look at those feelings. Be grateful. Thank you for these feelings. Thank you for these challenges. I forgive myself. I forgive the world. Thank you. Okay, my lovelies.